Hi, this is Guose Prefab House. Today, I would like to introduce a product that is very suitable for resorts and homestays. It's the one behind me. Apple cabin with 10 meters long, 3.5 meters wide and 3.2 meters high. There is a large terrace in front of the cabin. You can sit here and watch the scenery and chat. Entry is a smart door lock. Don't worry about forgetting your keys. You can swipe your card and fingerprint. Insert card power mode. And this is a little bar. It comes with a small ice machine and a small refrigerator. Whole house without main light design. More concise and beautiful. We are equipped with central air conditioning, sofa coffee table, and whole house electric curtains. Whole house intelligent voice control. Free your hands with one click. Zhao AI, closing the curtains. Super comfortable double bed. Add a projector. You can watch movies while lying down. This is the bathroom area. We equipped it with a smart beauty mirror, and a wash basin, and a smart toilet. We made glass partitions for the shower room. Then match it with an in-style shower. Whether it's a camp exhibition or a cafe, this Apple cabin is the best choice.